Hello everyone and welcome back to another video and another review. So today we are diving into the world of cutting-edge home cleaning technology with the Eufy S1 Pro, the world's first floor washing robot that combines vacuuming with real-time self-cleaning. So stick around till the end as we explore all the features and benefits of this impressive robot vacuum. The Eufy S1 Pro, part of Eufy's flagship S series, represents the pinnacle of innovation in robot vacuum. This model was crafted to offer unparalleled cleaning efficiency and convenience. One of the standout features of the S1 Pro is its always clean mop technology. This innovative roller mop cleans the floor while simultaneously cleaning itself, ensuring maximum cleanliness and efficiency. Also, one thing that worth mentioning is that the Eufy S1 Pro, unlike other dual rotating mops, won't spread dirt everywhere, which is definitely a great feature, and this advanced technology makes it really more tempting. Its advanced design ensures efficient and thorough cleaning, making it definitely the next level of mopping. Under UV light, it achieves 100% cleanliness, making it far superior to competitors in removing stubborn stains, including those dried for 48 hours or more. The S1 Pro also boasts impressive cleaning efficiency. With just 3 liters of water, it can clean up to 450 square meters, compared to 200 square meters covered by competing models like the X10. Additionally, it cleans faster, requiring only 1.29 minutes per square meter, significantly less than its competitors. One of the S1 Pro's revolutionary features is its dual water tank system. The clean water tank continuously cleans the mop, while the dirty water tank collects debris, preventing cross-contamination and ensuring the mop remains clean throughout the cleaning process. This feature, combined with its 12mm auto retraction capability, keeps carpets dry and pristine. The S1 Pro is also equipped with EcoClean ozone technology. The base station's clean water tank is equipped with an ozone generator that uses tap water to produce ozone. This ozone water sterilizes the mop with a 99.99% sterilization rate, significantly improving indoor air quality and ensuring no harmful chemical residues are left behind. With 8,000 PA of potent suction, the S1 Pro effortlessly removes hidden dust and debris. Its dual-side brushes enhance cleaning efficiency, while the detangling brush reduces hair tangles, making it ideal for homes with pets and carpets. The futuristic design of the S1 Pro features a sleek, square body and a 96mm ultra-slim profile, allowing it to clean under furniture and reach hard-to-reach places with ease. Its compact design, inspired by sports cars, has earned it numerous design awards, including the Red Dot winner 2024, IF Design Award 2024, and Good Design Award. The S1 Pro also incorporates advanced obstacle avoidance technology with its 3D matrix eye system. Using active binocular infrared imaging and RGB camera. It creates detailed 3D models of obstacles, ensuring precise and intelligent avoidance. This technology allows S1 Pro to recognize and avoid dynamic obstacles like children and pets, and it works effectively even in dark environments. The S1 Pro's TrueCourse mapping system combines DTOF LiDAR and 3D SLAM algorithm to create a comprehensive 3D map of your home. This ensures efficient cleaning routes and allows the vacuum to adapt to changes in the environment, such as rearranged furniture. It also supports smart voice control with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, ensuring a hands-free cleaning experience. Eufy S1 Pro offers unmatched convenience, performance, and innovation in home cleaning technology. So if you are looking for a robot vacuum that can handle it all, look no further than the Eufy S1 Pro. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about the Eufy S1 Pro. If you found this review helpful, please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more related content. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. And don't forget to check out the link in the description if you want to get your hands on this amazing robot vacuum and upgrade your cleaning experience. See you in the next video. Peace.